my name is Meryl. I'm a colour expert for Resene paints, and I'm chatting with you today about choosing a colour for your bathroom. So one of the first things I like to consider when choosing a colour for your bathroom is spatial perception, the size of your bathroom. Basically, how large is your bathroom and where is the light source coming from? Warmer colours can make it feel more inviting. Cooler colours can make it feel more spacious, but it can also create a cold feeling. You need to really consider the light because it can also change the way a colour can appear in a bathroom. Lighter colours make a bathroom feel more spacious and darker colours make it feel more cosy and intimate. If you prefer more of a natural theme in your bathroom, consider bringing in elements from the current biophilic design trends such as indoor greenery and timber accents. Once you've looked at the spatial perception and thought about the style that you want to create, there are different elements that you can bring in to finalise your scheme. These might include metallic accents like hardware or painted features. They might include bold, vibrant colours. Jewel tones can make a dynamic bathroom. You might like to bring in a spa-like ambience with a really cool mural. Before choosing the colour for your bathroom, consider what existing features are to remain or can be changed. Lots of things can be painted in a bathroom, from cabinetry to bench tops to tiles and even laminate flooring. You just need to check with Resene staff or an online expert about the correct primers and paints. Find inspiration for your bathroom colour by looking at previous bathrooms and getting ideas with Resene wallpapers and colours. As with any decorating project, if you're struggling to find answers or just want to chat through the process with somebody, pop into a Resene ColorShop and talk to our friendly staff.